Hello everyone, welcome to How to Browser YouTube channel. In this video I'll show you how you can activate a bold tool in Blender. So let's jump right into the video without wasting any second, and I hope at the end of this video you learn something. So let's jump right into the video. So go to Edit, Preferences, and here Add on, and here write bold tool. And if you want to activate to turn on this to enable the bolt tool, all you have to do is to check this box, okay, and you can enable this add-on, enable, and now you can utilize this add-on, this bolt tool. And I hope this video helped. You can also use the shortcut from here. You can use the hotkey. Okay, description, I can see our bolt tool hotkey, Control Shift B. Okay, and you can use the bolt tool. I hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. I would really appreciate that if you could subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.